Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application. And what I mean right here is translating message on our Instagram DM or Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages right here by clicking on this icon. And for instance, I'm going to translate a message from my friend on Instagram. Okay, I'm going to translate this language, this message. As you can see that the message is not in English, and I'm going to translate it to English. If you want to translate, we can tap and hold on the message we want to translate, and then we can click on the translate option. Okay, that's easy, right? Oops, sorry guys, something went wrong because my internet connection is not good. Okay, and this is the translation, the English translation of this message. And if you have done with the translation, you can click on hide translation. And if you want to translate your own message, you can simply do the same. Just tap and hold on the message like this, and then simply click on translate. Okay, and the translation language depends on the language you apply on Instagram. I apply the English language, so the language, the message will be translated to English. If you want to change the language, guys, you can go to your Instagram settings and activity. You can go to your profile and then select the three lines on the top right. Okay, and these settings and activity will be opened, and you can scroll down until you find language. Okay, and here you'll be able to change your Instagram language. Let's say you select the Filipino language. If you select this language, it means that the message will be translated to this Filipino language. That's how it works. And I'm just going to leave it like that, guys. So my message will be translated to English because I have selected English language. Okay guys, and that's all the way to translate message on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, also subscribe to the channel. Bye!